Okay, good morning. It's Friday. It's February 25th. We haven't traded for. So we took it. We took it. It's OSTK. We took the trade. We're up 1.3% at the moment. Let me get it zoomed in for you. Let me give you the whole narrative of how this is. I saw the 1 year chart as a breakout of this pattern, right? It was like the only one of all of them that came up and actually was looking like it was going to break out of something. So I said, well, let's go ahead and trade on that because if this goes up, the overall market is shot right now, right? Like it's acting really funny. So this is a daily candle chart. I believe that it was going to break out of this. So now we have this odd volume coming in here. I don't like this push, so we trailed that stop up and into it. It yeah, if we take profits here, we take well, we're going to take profits. It's not about that. It's about will it continue from here, and that's the real good question. Well, that's what happens when you trail the stop. You get stopped out. Haha. We were talking about that the other. And there you have the pathetic $32 win there with a $10 round trip. We were up a lot more than that at one point. But I mean, it is what it is, and when you got to get your feet wet, you got to get your feet wet, and it's all a game of zeros. And if you're wrong, you're wrong, and we should have just taken it earlier. You know what I mean? Like taking more profits out of it. It's really kind of you do all the hard work and you don't get paid. That's part of the thing that I have with this. You want to be. Everybody wants to be lazy about it, and even including me. Like it's like, oh, it'll work, it'll work. Like yesterday. Yesterday here. Let me show you yesterday. And here's the SPY. I know it doesn't look like much, but the SPY rolled, 5% there, like from down here to there. It Look at this. Look at this. Boom, boom. The V pattern. I can show you on a 1 day. I don't know if that's gonna get you anywhere. That's got a bunch of stupid drawings on it. Hold on. There it is, a little further out. So anyway, we had a major. I thought it might carry through. You know, anyway, we took the profit. So everybody was carrying through with this. The rising tide lifts the boats, right? And I just felt maybe that we had a little bit of a extra tide for this morning. So again, yeah, again, without the execution mindset, you're going to be left in the dust here. And that pullback, look at where we exit. We exited here at 54.09, 54.09. So a little bit low at the very base of that candle. So that was a bit low. Should have been more like 54.30s. That might have been a little bit better, but I mean, like that, it is what it is. But look at this downside that you could have been vulnerable to. It really has to do with the trade management. I'm telling you, without the execution mindset and doing this and watching how trades, if you hold too long, you will get burned. I'm not kidding around here, man. You will totally lose your money for no reason. Because I'm not kidding around, man. It is not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So with that, I'm going to say like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell. What do you call it? Give me a thumbs up if you think this is worth your time to give it a thumbs up. That's how you're guaranteed to get the high fives.